it's Melissa here to plan in my Skinny Classic Happy Planner. So this week I actually wanted to use the Happy Illustrations book. I kind of want to do the cactus from here, or I'm going to use some of these hanging baskets. I don't even think I've used one. I love this so much. It's just, I remember when I saw somebody use it, I actually know exactly who it was. It was Plan On It. Michelle, that's her Instagram handle. I saw her use this, and then it was so beautiful how she used it that I just felt like I didn't want to use it because she had already taken up really like the best idea. So yeah, but I think I'm going to use it this week. First I kind of want to figure out how I'm going to do my YouTube posts and my Instagram. I think this week I'm going to switch it up. I am going to write directly on, maybe do some sort of bullet point for my for my YouTube, and then for my Instagram post I might do a little box on each day. Let's just see what kind of box stickers are here. I love this. I think I kind of want to incorporate that. It really goes well with the planner too, which I like. Okay, so how many lines does this have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I'm going to need to have, this is not going to work for my YouTube posts unless I do kind of one on each line, like M for Monday, and that'll be my YouTube post. So I don't know how I feel about that. If there was 14, then it would be 7 times 2 types of thing. And I could put like the day of the week and then right underneath it my YouTube post, but that's not going to work. I really want to use this. I think I'm just going to go for it. I love these buildings. Perfect. Now I'm going to white out this notes because I feel like it's going to show through. And I might grab the Brights sticker pack. I know that it has the one that I split with my friend. I know it has these discs as bullet points. Love it. And that's super cute. I'm gonna use these planters still. Oh, there's a bunch of bullet points here that I could potentially use every single day for my YouTube, and then I could just put a box sticker every day for my Instagram. Let's see. Is there 7 boxes that are similar in size that are not this small? These are a bit big. These would work, and same with this. Is there 14 bullet points? So I'm going to go against what I had planned. Actually, first let me put these planters. I really want to do that first. So I'm going to put one here. I'll rest this top line right up here. And let's see if I have to white anything out. Yeah, you know what? I'm okay with that. And then I'm going to put one over here. I'll put just this one. I don't know yet if I want to use all of them. I kind of do, but I don't at the same time. So now that I have that in mind, I can do my boxes. I'll just start here. I'll put, actually, no, I shouldn't put this. I don't want to put them right beside each other. I'll put this right here. And I'm going to have to kind of squeeze in tight my Instagram post, but I think I can make that happen. And then this week I'm going to do alternating, so that day is done, but I do need 2 bullet points. And then now I'm going to figure out a decoration for Tuesday. I want to put something right here. Yeah. And then I will put one of the box stickers here. I think I will go for the gold planner disc, and then I'll put my 2 YouTube posts there. And then over here I'm going to put something decorative. Maybe I'll stick 2 of the cactus together. This tall one and a matte one. Maybe I'll stick this guy. Just the color feels different enough anyway. And then I can do another box sticker over here. This time I think I'm going to use the gold. Here we go. Actually, I'm going to use this blue one over here. And then on Thursday, I'm going to put one of these boxes, these little planter boxes. So pretty. I'm going to put this one. And I like this. And I'm going to take one of the box stickers and stick it right beside again. I think this time I'll go for this purple one. Okay. And then I'm going to do the opposite. So I'm going to stick up some cacti here and then maybe some more cacti here. I think I'm going to stack or put another one with that though. Looks a little lonely by itself. I'm going to do this tall guy. I don't know if I'm going to fit my YouTube posts. Or sorry, my Instagram posts. You know what? That's fine. And then over here, stick a couple of cacti. This tall one is so pretty. And then I'll put a shorter one beside it. One of these guys. And then the box sticker. This time I will use the ones that have these. And I will put, oh no. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to move this guy over here. Because my layering is off. Let's see. Love it. And then I will put some cacti over here. This is the only clear one I haven't used. And then I'm going to pair it with this tall guy. And then I'll put 2 more box stickers. Cupcake. And then this one right here. Actually, I feel like the colors are too similar beside each other. So I think I gotta put the pink one. Over here. And I'll put this one right here. And then now I have to make these bullet points work, these hearts. 3, 4, 5. Yeah, there's definitely 14. So I'm gonna grab my tweezers. Okay. And I'm gonna put this here. I'm always kind of picky with the colors that I choose. I really kind of like to look at them. Like, for example, I'm probably not going to use, I'm going to use this hot pink, but I'm probably not going to use the yellow just because I feel like it's too yellow. So for this, I'm actually going to stick it here. Then I'm going to put the other one over here because I feel like, or should I just stick it on top of each other? I don't like how that looks. I don't really know if I can make yellow work because I've added no yellow. So I kind of want to add orange last if I do add orange. But I don't know if I can be so choosy because I'm already running out of hearts. Let's see. Will I make it without adding yellow or orange? Signs point to yes, actually. I'm going to be squeezing by, but oh dear. And one final one here. And I think that's it. This is my spread for my Skinny Classic Happy Planner. This is where I'm hopefully going to put what I'm going to put on YouTube every single day, and then over here are my 2 Instagram posts. And if there's anything kind of going on with our soap, I can just make note of that, but I like how cheerful and happy this is. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I truly do appreciate it. If you like this video, I hope you'll click like. If you have any questions, comments, feel free to leave them below. If you don't want to miss any of my videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.